Australian physicists have proved that time travel is possible. 1. Introduction to the concept of time travel. Time travel has long fascinated and intrigued both scientists and fiction enthusiasts alike. The idea of moving backward or forward in time, defying the traditional linear progression, has been a subject of speculation and imagination. In recent years, Australian physicists have made significant strides in exploring the possibility of time travel, challenging conventional notions and presenting compelling evidence. This video delves into the groundbreaking research conducted by Australian physicists, examining the theoretical foundations, experimental findings, and the implications of their discoveries. Through an exploration of the potential for time travel, we aim to shed light on this captivating phenomenon and its impact on our understanding of the universe. 1.1 Defining time travel. Time travel. Just saying those two words together can send our imaginations racing. The idea of being able to travel back in time and change the course of history or zoom into the future to see what lies ahead has captivated the human mind for centuries. But what exactly is time travel? In simple terms, time travel refers to the concept of moving between different points in time, either traveling backward to the past or forward into the future. It challenges our understanding of time as a fixed, linear progression, and instead suggests the possibility of shifting through time like flipping through channels on a TV. Sounds pretty cool, right? 1.2 Historical perspectives on time travel. Believe it or not, the concept of time travel has been around for ages. Ancient civilizations like the ancient Greeks and the Chinese have stories and myths that involve journeys through time. Fast forward to more recent times, and you have writers like H.G. Wells with his iconic novel, The Time Machine, popularizing the idea of time travel in the late 19th century. While time travel has long been a staple of science fiction, it has remained firmly in the realm of fantasy. That is, until a team of Australian physicists came along and decided to put the concept to the test. Hold on to your seatbelts, folks, because they just might have cracked the code. 2. Overview of the Australian physicists' research. 2.1 Brief introduction to the research team. Meet the Aussie scientists who have taken time travel from the realms of sci-fi to the world of scientific inquiry. This team of brilliant minds, led by Dr. Martin Ringbauer, hails from the prestigious Queensland University. Their mission? To explore the possibility of time travel and debunk the skeptics. With their impressive credentials and knack for thinking outside the box, this group of physicists has approached time travel with a fresh perspective and innovative methodology that could revolutionize our understanding of the universe. 2.2 Research objectives and methodology. The research team's objectives are as bold as they come. Their aim is to provide tangible evidence that time travel is not just a figment of our collective imagination but a real phenomenon that we can harness. To achieve this, they have devised a series of experiments that delve deep into the mysteries of time and space. Using cutting-edge equipment and revolutionary theoretical frameworks, the team has set out to create controlled conditions that may allow for the manipulation of time. Their research methodology combines elements of quantum mechanics, relativity theory, and good old-fashioned scientific ingenuity to push the boundaries of what we thought was possible. 3. Understanding the theoretical foundations of time travel. 3.1 Explanation of key theories in physics. Before diving into the mind-bending world of time travel, it's important to grasp some key theories in physics. Don't worry, we'll keep it light and breezy. We have quantum mechanics, which deals with the behavior of particles at the smallest scales. This theory challenges our intuitive understanding of reality and introduces concepts like superposition and entanglement. Fun stuff, right? Then we have relativity theory, made famous by Einstein himself. This theory explains how gravity affects the fabric of spacetime and how time can be perceived differently depending on the observer's frame of reference. Get ready to have your mind bent like a pretzel. 3.2 Einstein's theory of relativity and its relation to time travel. Now, let's talk about time dilation, a mind-boggling phenomenon predicted by Einstein's theory of relativity. It suggests that time can slow down or speed up depending on the gravitational field or the relative movement between two observers. In simple terms, if you were to travel close to the speed of light or venture near a black hole, time would start behaving oddly. You might experience time passing at a different rate compared to someone in a different location or moving at a different speed. It's like time playing tricks on you, which sounds both exciting and a bit disconcerting. This connection between relativity theory and time dilation is one of the foundations that make time travel theoretically possible. The Australian physicists are building upon these concepts to explore and experiment with the manipulation of time itself. 4. Experimental evidence supporting the possibility of time travel. 4.1 Overview of the experimental setup. Picture a state-of-the-art laboratory, brimming with complex machinery and instruments that look like they belong in a sci-fi movie. That's where our Australian physicist friends are conducting their groundbreaking experiments. Their experimental setup involves creating micro-wormholes, tiny shortcuts through space and time that could potentially allow for time travel. By harnessing advanced quantum technologies and manipulating the fabric of the universe, they aim to open up these microscopic gateways to different points in time. 4.2 Findings and observations from the experiments. While the research is still ongoing, early findings have provided tantalizing hints of the possibility of time travel. The team has observed unusual quantum fluctuations and temporal anomalies, which, if further investigated, could pave the way for practical applications of time travel. However, it's important to emphasize that these initial observations are just the tip of the iceberg. Time travel is an incredibly complex and mind-bending subject, and there's still a long way to go before we can buy tickets for a trip to the past or future. But with these Australian physicists leading the charge, we might be closer to unlocking the secrets of time travel than we ever thought possible. Stay tuned. 5. Challenges and limitations in achieving practical time travel. 5.1 Technological hurdles and advancements required. Time travel may sound like something straight out of a sci-fi movie, but it turns out that achieving it in reality is not as easy as hopping into a DeLorean. Australian physicists have made significant strides in proving its possibility, but there are still technological hurdles that need to be overcome. The development of advanced propulsion systems and energy sources capable of bending the fabric of spacetime is crucial. We're talking about some serious technological wizardry here. 5.2 Paradoxes and logical inconsistencies in time travel. While the idea of traveling back in time to correct past mistakes or experience historical events firsthand is undeniably appealing, there are paradoxes and logical inconsistencies that come into play. The classic example is the grandfather paradox. If you were to go back in time and prevent your grandfather from meeting your grandmother, then you wouldn't exist, which means you couldn't have traveled back in time to begin with. Wrap your head around that. 6. Implications and potential applications of time travel technology. 6.1 Exploration of historical events and civilizations. One of the most exciting potential applications of time travel technology is the opportunity to explore historical events and civilizations up close and personal. Imagine witnessing the signing of the Declaration of Independence or seeing the construction of the ancient pyramids of Egypt. Time travel could provide us with a unique perspective on our collective history and enhance our understanding of the world. 6.2 Scientific advancements and knowledge acquisition. Time travel could also revolutionize scientific research and knowledge acquisition. Imagine being able to travel to the future and bring back advanced technology or knowledge that could propel us forward. We could learn from future civilizations to uncover groundbreaking discoveries and solutions to existing problems. The possibilities are mind-boggling. 7. Ethical considerations and concerns surrounding time travel. 7.1 Alteration of past events and its consequences. While time travel may offer incredible opportunities, it also raises ethical concerns. Altering past events could have unforeseen consequences and disrupt the natural course of history. Should we tamper with the past, knowing that the ripple effects could have major repercussions? It's a moral dilemma that requires careful consideration and a deep understanding of the potential consequences. 7.2 Responsibility and accountability in time travel. Time travel also brings up issues of responsibility and accountability. Who gets to decide who can travel through time and for what purpose? Should there be regulations and safeguards in place to prevent misuse or abuse of time travel technology? These are important questions that need to be addressed to ensure that time travel remains a force for good and not a tool for chaos. 8. Future prospects and ongoing research in the field of time travel. 8.1 Current advancements and breakthroughs. Despite the challenges and ethical considerations, researchers around the world are tirelessly working towards making time travel a practical reality. Advances in quantum physics, wormhole exploration, and exotic matter are pushing the boundaries of what was once considered purely theoretical. The scientific community is buzzing with excitement as new breakthroughs continue to be made. 8.2 Promising directions for future research. In the future, research in time travel will likely focus on finding solutions to the paradoxes and logical inconsistencies that currently hinder our understanding. Additionally, further technological advancements will be necessary to harness the immense energies required for time travel. With continued dedication, creativity, and scientific rigor, who knows what marvels the future holds in store for us? Time travel might just become a part of our reality. Exciting, isn't it? In conclusion, the research conducted by Australian physicists has pushed the boundaries of what was once considered impossible, proving that time travel is not merely a concept confined to science fiction. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of time and space, the implications of this breakthrough are profound. However, numerous challenges and ethical considerations remain to be addressed before time travel becomes a practical reality. Nevertheless, with ongoing research, advancements in technology, and a deeper understanding of the universe, the prospect of journeying through time may not be as far-fetched as it once seemed. The Australian physicists' work has opened up new avenues for exploration and instilled a sense of wonder and curiosity about the possibilities that lie ahead.